Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Zoho CRM email templates and token variables, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Zoho CRM email templates and token variables, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Templates. In the Templates section, click on Email Templates. You will see a list of your existing email templates. Choose the template you want to verify by clicking on its name. Once you are in the template editor, review the content of your email. Take note of any token variables included in the template. Token variables are placeholders that will be replaced by actual data when the email is sent. To check if your token variables are correct, refer to the list of available tokens. You can find this list by clicking on Insert Field or by referring to the Zoho documentation. Replace any incorrect tokens with the correct ones as needed. Next, send a test email to ensure that the template functions correctly. Input a recipient email address and click on the Send Test Mail button. Open the test email once it has been sent. Verify that all token variables have been replaced with the appropriate data. Check the formatting and overall appearance of the email. If everything looks good, your template is ready for use. Repeat this process for any other templates you'd like to verify. Ensure all your templates are consistent and reflect your branding accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.